Hello, in today's class, let us look at the equation of the pair of tangents to the conic L by R equal to 1 minus e cos theta from the point R1 theta 1. So we are given a conic and a point which is lying outside the conic, so that is a point R1 theta 1. So we need to find the equation of so from the point we can draw a pair of tangents to the conic. So we will look at what is the equation of the pair of tangents. Now let us start with the equation of the tangent. അപ്പോൾ ടാൻജൻറ്റ് നമ്മുടെ ഈ പോയിന്റ് R1 തീറ്റ വണ്ണിൽ കൂടി പാസ് ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ, സോ the equation of the tangent to the conic at theta equal to alpha is, so that is given by L by R equal to cos theta minus alpha minus e cos theta, and since it passes through R1 theta 1, so we will get, substituting R1 theta 1 into this equation, so we will get L by R1 varum. So L by R1 equal to cos theta 1 minus alpha minus e cos theta 1. And now from the first equation, so call it as first equation, call this as the second equation. Now from the first equation we will get L by R plus e cos theta, that will be equal to cos theta minus alpha varum. So upon squaring, so when you square on both sides, so we are going to get L by R plus e cos theta whole square, that will be equal to cos square theta minus alpha. So that is equal to 1 minus sin square theta minus alpha. So that is going to give us, so we will get 1 minus L by R e cos theta, sorry, L by R plus e cos theta whole square. So take it to the right side and sin square theta minus alpha to the left side. So we will get sin square theta minus alpha. So sin square theta minus alpha will be equal to 1 minus L by R plus e cos theta whole square. So let us take this as equation 3. And now similarly from the second equation we will get the similar result. Okay. So similarly from equation 2 we get, so we will get the same equation. In place of R we have R1 and in place of theta we will have theta 1. So we will get 1 minus L by R1 plus e cos theta whole square equal to sin square theta 1 minus alpha varum. So call this as equation 4. Now from equations 1 and 2 we obtain the equation. Again using 1 and 2 we get, from equation 1 I can write L by R plus e cos theta, that will be equal to cos theta minus alpha varum. അതുപോലെ L by R1 plus e cos theta 1, that will be equal to cos theta 1 minus alpha 1. So let us take L by R plus E cos theta into L by R1 plus E cos theta 1 minus cos theta minus theta 1 E L by R E cos theta എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് that will be cos theta minus alpha വരും and L by R1 E cos theta 1 will be cos theta 1 minus alpha. Now subtracting cos theta minus theta 1. Now this can be put in the form. This term is cos A, cos B. You can write it as 1 minus cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So 1 by 2 cos A plus B വരുമ്പം theta plus theta 1 minus 2 alpha plus cos A minus B is theta minus theta 1 വരും then minus cos theta minus theta 1. Okay, so therefore we will get 1 by 2 cos theta plus theta 1 minus 2 alpha now this is 1 by 2 cos theta minus theta 1 minus 1 cos theta minus theta 1. So that is going to give minus 1 by 2 cos theta minus theta 1. So that will be 1 by 2 plus theta 1 minus 2 alpha minus cos theta minus theta 1. Now this is in the form 1 by 2 cos A plus B minus A minus B. Therefore we can write it as theta minus alpha plus theta 1 minus alpha minus cos theta minus alpha minus theta 1 minus alpha. So this is in the form 1 by 2 cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. So we are going to get minus 2 sin A sin B. So that will be equal to minus sin theta minus A and B are theta minus alpha and theta 1 minus alpha. So therefore we will get this result and now let us eliminate alpha from these equations. So from the equations eliminate alpha from equations 3, 4, 5. So this is our equation 5. So from the equation 3 we have so 1 minus L by R plus E cos theta whole square that will be equal to sin square theta minus alpha. That was equation 3. And equation 4 is 1 by L by R dash R1 plus E cos theta 1 whole square equal to sin square theta 1 minus alpha and this is equation 5. So equation 5. So on the left side we started with L by R plus E cos theta then L by R1 plus E cos theta 1 minus cos theta minus theta. So when we square this one, we will be having these terms inside the equation. So 1 minus L by R plus e cos theta whole square. So ഇതിന്റെ രണ്ടിന്റെയും പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇക്വേഷൻ ഫൈൻഡ് സ്ക്വയർ ആയിട്ട് വരും. So 1 minus L by R plus e cos theta whole square into 1 minus L by R1 plus e cos theta 1 whole square, that will be equal to sin square theta minus alpha sin square theta 1 minus alpha varum. Now that is equal to now ഇവിടെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിന്റെ സ്ക്വയർ വരും. So that will be L by R plus e cos theta into L by R1 plus e cos theta 1 minus cos theta minus theta 1 whole square. So therefore we have eliminated theta equal to alpha. So take the left side and right side of the equation. So therefore this relation will form the equation of the pair of tangents. So the equation of pair of tangents depends only on the value of r1 theta 1. So that is the point from which you have drawn the pair of tangents. So you will get an equation involving r theta then r1 and theta 1. So therefore the equation of the pair of tangents to the conic L by R equal to 1 minus e cos theta from r1 theta 1 is, so we can write the equation now. So that is 1 minus L by R plus e cos theta whole square into 1 minus L by R1 plus e cos theta 1 whole square, that will be equal to L by R plus e cos theta into L by R1 plus e cos theta 1 minus cos theta minus theta 1 whole square. So this is the required equation of the pair of tangents to the conic from the point r1 theta 1.